What's happening, guys? I am making my first Jeff Day-esque video to show you something cool I learned about IGEMS. So I came across this earlier today where I had this line work that if I do a quick select on it for polylines that are not closed, you can see there's a bunch of not closed things. And in the past, we'd go through and zoom in and pull these out and trim them, and it took forever. What I figured out today is if I put this on a new page, and we'll just save this in my documents as example. And then if I go to IGEMS and I import that, where did it go? There it is. I gotta close it in CAD first. All right, now if I open it in IGEMS, so here's my line work. And what I do is I go to Tools, Cleanup, Specify Tolerance. It's preset to 0, so I just hit Enter, and then I select everything and hit Enter again. You can see it took 869 segments and made them 830. So what it did was it just joined things together, I think. So now I'm going to export this line work. So I do Control E and then select everything, hit enter. It's going to bring my, ask me where I want to save it. So if I go back to documents and I'll just call this example 2, save it. And now if I go and open example 2, I'm going to double click it to open it in CAD here. Copy this back onto my original. I see that all of my polylines are now closed. So I just saved a bunch of time not having to actually manually go in and close all these things up. I'd probably just do like an overlay here. So turn that red, move this on top just to make sure that everything looks the same, which it does. So if I do a quick select here, select all my red and delete it, I now have no closed polylines, and I can go on to the next step. Thus concludes my first video. How do I end this?